This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 83 of Building the Infinity Gauntlet. In this issue we've got our middle cover piece to put in place. Again, give us 3 screws, we only need 1. Just a waste of screws, isn't it? Secret warps, like Secret War, but with more PNSs. I don't know. Is that not Ghost Rider, Ghost Panther? Apparently, that's another mashup of Black Panther and Ghost Rider, isn't it? As opposed to Black Rider, that wouldn't be as good. So there we go. Yeah, it's quite. I like the fusion. I wonder how they decided who was going to go with what. Looks like something out of Sonic the Hedgehog. All right, so yes, this is what we're doing. We are putting the cover in, putting a screw in, and then putting the plate cover to cover the screw to make it look like it's not there at all. Easy stuff. And then we have one more to go next time. Dawn Greenwood, Cosmic Love. Is that Silver Surfer? Silver Surfer and Dawn Greenwood. Happy amongst the stars. Oh, that's sweet. There we go, all about that. If you want to read all of those, then look at Bob Harras, Mutant King. Okay. Marvel. Nick Fury versus Shield. Okay. Right, let me clear this out of the way and we'll get this penultimate part of this finger put together. So there we go. We've got another big bit, another plug and a screw, which I've got out there. I'm not going to even open that pack of 3. So this is going over there, again, that way up. Slipping in place. Just like that. And the screw will then go through there. That makes sure it's all lined up properly as well. And we'll lock it all down. There you go. So that is that. It still bends. And this then goes in over there. It doesn't look like it matters which way up it goes. It goes in there. And we'll push down. Hasn't gone down as well as the other side. Maybe it does have to be the other way up. I shall try it the other way up and see if it goes down any further. If not, I shall just push it much harder. But either way, that's another issue completed. Thank you very much for joining me. Next time, we're finishing off the finger. So I'll see you for that very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.